Hello, my name's Matt Hunter.
I'm Michael Wilkinson.
And we're from the Star in the City in York. My role is the Operations Director, so I oversee everything within the site, and Mikey's the head chef and he runs the kitchen on a day-to-day basis. So we've been back here for the second time tonight. We cooked here last year, we had a great time, got some really good feedback from the guests as we have this evening. We've really enjoyed working with the students again, and it's great to see some of the same faces here as last time. It's really nice. So we're from Star in the City in York, which is the city centre cousin of the Star at Hareham, Michelin starred thatched cottage. It's from dates back to the 13th century. Andrew Pern is our chef director, and Steve Smith runs the kitchen in Hareham, alongside kind of Andrew's influences, but his own influence on the dishes as well, which is really interesting to see how that's kind of progressed over the last 10 years when he's been at the helm there. Andrew's the ideas man, and he comes in with the big ideas, and we try and carry that out. So Star in the City is the kind of the all day breakfast, lunch, dinner, 7 days a week, afternoon teas, cocktails, coffees. We do a bit of everything. Working with the colleges is really important, so we're really proud to work with L20. We have done for this year and last year. Really enjoyed it. My background is working in all sorts of different sectors of the trade. So I started off in hotels, worked for Nigel Howarth in North Carolina, and that's how I met Andrew. That was over 10 years ago. Been with Andrew for 5 years now. Started off at the Star at Hareham and then moved down to the city to open that.
My background itself is I was trained by the Royal Air Force at their catering academy, travelled the world with the Air Force for 5 years, seen some amazing things, and came out, moved to York after a few years, ended up as a head chef of a restaurant, which led me to work with Matt, which is now 3 years down the line.
My advice to somebody up and coming would be to listen really carefully to what people say to you. I think that's the key really, is to listen and to try and make sure you're investing your time in working in the right places. You know.
Yeah, look, you never stop learning in this trade, and I think understanding the classic dishes is probably my advice to someone that was looking at taking this into a career. There is loads of exciting modern techniques out there, but the classics are where you need to start. Learn them and then you'll go far.
It's a really good relationship we have with L20 and New Bed. Anthony is head chef here. We've known him for a few years now, and he asked us to get involved with the guest chef dinners, and it's really nice to give a little bit back to the team here. We're working really hard to kind of get the students working with different people. I think that really opens your eyes into what's out there in the trade, and it's a really nice thing to be a part of, and we're really thankful for the opportunity to come back here tonight to cook with everybody.
A year down the line and we've been welcomed back, which is amazing. It's great for us to come and show students the versatility of, like Matt said, what restaurants are out there. Every chef in every restaurant offers something different, and it's just an honour for us to be able to come and show what we're doing over in Yorkshire.
Time for a gin now.
Yeah, I think so.